Okay, we've got 2 fully stuffed bags today, plus Loki's out of his kennel. He hears me talking, he sees the camera, and action. Okay. But you always want to act like you don't know it's there when we know this is why you're here. Like, look how huge his head is, people. Okay, get down. He's a big boy. And he just got this white top dirty with all his slobber. All right, there it is. Let's jump in. Okay, so, pie crust. You know, I don't normally haul this. I don't normally see this at Dollar Tree. I think this was stemmed from some video I watched on TikTok where somebody put like Oreo ice cream and then they froze it. They did like this, though it was a pie. So they got the crust, they put Oreo ice cream, froze it, came back, added a layer of fudge, put it back in the freezer, froze it, and then took it out, added whipped cream, and then like froze it again, I guess. And then it's supposedly really delicious. So I don't know. I think when I saw this, I thought of that for sure. So much stuff in here, I don't even like know. I grabbed a pack of these gummy bears again. I got these last time for my car, and I'm going to be going to Dallas soon. Actually, by the time you guys are watching this, I'm already there. But yeah, so this is like for traveling. I got that. And then I found this cute little Beach Please like clear bag. I feel like this is just, I know Dollar Tree has done a variation of this. I just can't tell if it's like the same exact one that I've hauled before. It very well could be, but it's super cute. What I don't remember is this little piece, so I feel like this could be like something that's been updated. I only found it in the purple color. I know how Dollar Tree works. They do multiple colors, at least 4 in a collection. So maybe there's more colors out there for you guys. I picked up another one of these coupon holders. Now this one I got for a specific reason, and I cannot remember what it's for. And I was gonna do like a whole insert of a clip here so that you guys could see me add what I was gonna add. It's not stickers. It was like something very specific, but from my craft room. I don't remember. If I remember, we'll come back to it. The Mother's Day is probably just around the corner from this video being released, and I found these cute little like mom books. Memories made by Mom and Me. So that's really cute. So it's just like a little something to like fill out. Like that's like, what's the concept though? Draw something about the other person that makes you smile. Okay, so this is something like you would do together, like mom and kid, which is really cute. And then here's another one. Same thing. Yeah, I'm guessing, I don't know if it has like the same exact pages in here. I feel like it might, but there's that. And then Mom, loving, nurturing, inspiring. This is just a collection of quotes. So this would be a really great little basket filler. So there's that. All right, then I picked up a ton of stickers. So let's see. I got these little like Tiffany blue pearls. I'm sure I picked up several of those. They're probably like floating around in the bag. These are new for me. I've only just now found them. So cute. Perfect time for the season. Summer's here, coming up, and absolutely love it. The turtle is super cute in that fish. That's darling. Then I got one of these. I've already hauled it before. It's not new. Another one that I've already hauled before, but this one has recently like re-caught my attention and it's stunning. So anytime I see it, I'm gonna grab it. At my Dollar Trees, I only see like one here and there. They're not really stocked. So like I said, when I see it, I grab it. Now this one is new and it's absolutely precious. It's like a whole baby girl theme Love the little rubber ducky. Now, I expected to see a baby boy, and I'm sure there is, but I did not find it at my store. So there's that. The little giraffe is just, oh, this is the sweetest little set. So I got that. Then I picked up this composition book. Now this is not a Dollar Tree brand, so sometimes you gotta look out for that. You gotta look for these little brands that like sneak in there. So I got that one. And then I got this Crafter Square fabric roll. I love the grid. So cute. I don't know like what theme I would use this for in a junk journal, but I'm obsessed. So I got that. And then I found a very shocking brand at Dollar Tree. I found Beverly Hills Polo Club. What? And I found it in these like women's socks. They are so cute. Now, wait a minute. Wait. Why does it have the Dollar Tree brand on the back? Is this like some, I don't know. I was just going to say, before I saw this, I was like, wait. I was like, this quality feels like Dollar Tree socks. So yeah, I don't really know what brand this is. First I kind of thought we were dealing with like a Ralph Lauren thing, but here's what I found. They are very pretty. So there's that. And then these are super cute. I'm seeing a lot of lemons and oranges lately at Dollar Tree. So some cute socks. My niece, oh, here we go. More stickers. I love the stack of books and the wash right there. And then I got white pearls and then another of the Tiffany blue. I also picked up some envelopes. I feel like it's been a long time. These are, I really like because they have the sticker peel, so you don't have to like lick it. But yeah, you get 40 in here. So there's that. And then, oh, this sticker pack, my mouth dropped. And let me tell you, I spent a good 5 minutes going through every single sticker that was hanging there to see if I could find more of these. I only found this one, but the teacups are killing me. This is so cute. Love that. And then my niece, her new thing right now is Trolls. So last time I was in Dallas, had a little movie night with my brother and my niece, and we watched Trolls. Like, and it was actually pretty good. It was cute. It was really cute. All right. I also got these storage containers. Now, I don't know, honestly, like what I was thinking when I got these, but I got them for my nephew because when we're at his house, you know how little kids are when they're like 1 year old, 2 years old, and they're just starting to walk. They want to play with like what's in the kitchen cabinets. So I got this for him because he was like playing with containers and like handing them to me so that I could open and close them. But like, am I going to travel with this? I also picked up these, again, for traveling. I just love these. These are my favorite toothbrushes at Dollar Tree. I've been buying them for like over a year now. They're the ones that I always look for. So there's that. I also picked up this Dawn dish soap. This I keep specifically in my laundry room. However, I use a couple of little drops. I don't even know if that's too much or too little, but I actually use this in place of bleach when I deal with white clothes. So it's my way of kind of trying to remove all the chemicals that I'm using when I'm washing. So this is slightly better. So there's that. Keeps them white. So, all right. Then I picked up, now this is one of those items where it's not relevant to my life, but I want to pick it up so that you guys can see it. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before, but they are contact lens cases. I found them in these 2 colors. I thought that was really cool. So those are brand new. I also picked up this Ione lip gloss. Honestly, what caught my attention was that it says crystal lip gloss. So I was just like, okay. It just looked crystally. I don't freaking know. I'm gonna do no editing, so you're gonna watch me sit here and open this. Okay, so packaging is really simple and pretty. I like it. Let's see. Very glassy. I mean, I don't know what the wear is going to be like. The taste is kind of vanilla-y. I don't know if it's supposed to taste like that, but like the application. Then I picked up these Jolly Rancher gummies. I've never had Jolly Rancher gummies before. So I also got these for traveling, so I guess I'm gonna find out on the airplane if I like them or hate them. So there's that roll of the dice. Then I found these glass droppers, bottle droppers from Crafter Square. I don't know what I was thinking. This actually would really be great for traveling. I could put my jojoba oil in this. Yes. But it is glass, so there's that to consider as well. I don't know, it's not intended for traveling, but like that's where my mind's going. Okay, next up I picked up this Bodycology. This is the Nourishing Hand Soap in Spiced Pumpkin. It's very much obviously giving fall. I don't know why this is at Dollar Tree in May, but I wanted you guys to see it. So I've heard, it smells good. Oh my God. I've heard of this brand before. Is this at Walmart? Somebody comment, let me know. Where do we normally see Bodycology? Okay, next up, I picked up this little tea set. I think I've hauled it before. I have a set here, but going back to Dallas, I wanted to get some toys for my niece and nephew, and I thought this could pack decently. I thought of that, but I didn't think of the containers. Okay, next up, I found this little towel scrunchie, which is really cute. Maybe throw it in a beach bag, or you're having a lake day or whatever, or it's just like a scrunchie to keep, you know. Then I found this head wrap, which I thought was absolutely beautiful. I'm not usually a head wrap or a headband person, but something about this just like pulled me in. I don't know. It's dainty, it's cute. How's this $1.25? Like, I love that. I'm keeping that one. Then I just picked up this little like wristlet. It's just black, pretty plain. I don't really know what my plans are for this, but I definitely thought that I could throw it in the car and keep loose change in this. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with it. Because I've been finding a lot of loose change lately, which is so bizarre because I haven't seen cash in such a long time. The bank I use is not here in the area that I live in, so like I just don't see cash. So I don't know. Anyways, there's that story. Then I picked up this Dr. Seuss. These are bookmarks, and I wanted to open this on camera because I saw the first one. I was like, wait, what? So, okay, has like a little cutout of a 1. Okay, I kind of expected, I don't know why, but I thought maybe the other ones would say like 234, but that's not the case. So they're just regular little Dr. Seuss bookmarks. What I will tell you is that if you love junk journaling like I do, you could do a whole Dr. Seuss junk journal from Dollar Tree, because the amount of Dr. Seuss stuff that's there is actually kind of unreal. All right, then I picked up this All Clear Automotive Protectant Wipes. It's lemon scented. I thought that I would also keep this in my car because most of you who follow me on my vlog channel, you know Loki gets daily car rides. Okay, that didn't wake him up. And so, you know, his hair kind of goes everywhere, especially on the dash, and I thought it would just be a quick way to like wipe that down. So keep that in the car. There we go. Okay, then I found some creamer. This just stood out as new to me. The non-dairy creamer Sweet Cafe in French vanilla. So I thought I'd let you guys know I'm seeing this there. I also found this salted caramel, sugar-free. It's flavored syrup. Like, look at this huge bottle. Sugar-free, salted caramel for your coffee. It would also look beautiful in a gift basket if you want to do like a coffee theme. All right, and then the last couple of products are this Global Beauty Care. It came in a display like all together. So the first one is a vitamin C and facial serum. Packaging is really pretty. Let's open it. Oh, I'm gonna open from the bottom because I don't know what's gonna be my thumbnail today, so I don't wanna like rip boxes open, you know what I mean? But okay. Wow, that is very pretty. I mean, I know it's not supposed to be about packaging. I mean, it's an added, but it's vitamin C and facial serum with niacinamide, AHAs, and vitamin E. I love niacinamide, so I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but like, I have some of that from stuff I've ordered from Amazon. Then we have the glowing vitamin C and skin cream. So pretty. By the way, it says fragrance-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, silicone-free, alcohol-free. That's a good one. Not tested on animals for all skin types. It gives back to the community. Non-comedogenic. I know I'm not saying that right. And pH balanced. Those are quite some claims there. Okay, I'm gonna have to break this box because it's, yeah. Wow, that's a lot of, like, look at this. So pretty. There's the product, but obviously I have no idea if it works. Then we have a glowing vitamin C and facial cleanser. Just in time for Mother's Day. I mean, it's beautiful, you know? And then we've got the vitamin C eye cream with, again, niacinamide, AHA, and vitamin E. I'm not gonna open this one because we can just like see the box here. But like, how stunning is this? Like, what? I'm gonna put this one back in the box. But anyways, that's it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you guys really soon. Probably the next few hauls you're gonna see are from Texas, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.